Have you ever wondered how the delicious chocolate you love is made? From creamy milk chocolate to rich dark bars, chocolate is one of the most popular treats in the world. In today's video, we'll take you inside a modern chocolate manufacturing factory and show you the complete step-by-step process, from raw cocoa beans to beautifully wrapped chocolate bars. So stay with us till the end to discover how chocolate is made on a large scale. The chocolate-making journey begins with cocoa beans, which are harvested from cocoa pods grown in tropical regions. Once the beans arrive at the factory, they are carefully inspected and cleaned. Machines remove dust, stones, and unwanted particles to ensure only high-quality beans move forward. Clean cocoa beans are essential for producing smooth and flavorful chocolate. Next, the cocoa beans are roasted at controlled temperatures. Roasting is a crucial step because it develops the deep chocolate flavor and aroma. The temperature and roasting time vary depending on the type of chocolate being produced: dark, milk, or white chocolate. After roasting, the beans are cooled and prepared for the next stage. Once roasted, the cocoa beans are cracked open. The outer shells are removed through a process called winnowing. What remains are small pieces called cocoa nibs, which are the heart of chocolate production. These nibs contain cocoa solids and cocoa butter, the key ingredients of chocolate. The cocoa nibs are then ground into a thick paste known as cocoa liquor or cocoa mass. During grinding, heat causes the cocoa butter to melt, turning the nibs into a smooth liquid. This cocoa liquor forms the base for all types of chocolate products. Now it's time to create different chocolate varieties. Sugar, milk powder, cocoa butter, and other ingredients are added to the cocoa liquor in precise amounts. For dark chocolate, less sugar and no milk are used. For milk chocolate, milk powder adds creaminess and sweetness. Everything is thoroughly mixed to achieve a consistent texture and taste. The mixture then passes through refining machines, which reduce particle size to create a smooth mouthfeel. After refining, the chocolate enters the conching process. Conching involves continuous mixing and heating for several hours. This step removes acidity, enhances flavor, and gives chocolate its signature smoothness and shine. Next, the chocolate is tempered to control crystal formation in cocoa butter. Proper tempering gives chocolate its glossy appearance and satisfying snap. The tempered chocolate is poured into molds to form bars, shapes, or candies. Molds are gently vibrated to remove air bubbles and ensure perfect shape. The filled molds are cooled until the chocolate hardens. Once solid, the chocolates are removed from molds and inspected for quality, weight, and appearance. Finally, automated machines wrap and package the chocolates, making them ready for distribution. And that's how chocolate is made, from raw cocoa beans to the delicious treats we enjoy every day. If you enjoyed this factory tour, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with other chocolate lovers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next factory process video.